What's up, guys? Real quick, I just want to shoot this video. Earn $60 in 60 minutes. Welcome. If this is your first time here, my name is Andre, and on this channel, I talk about how to make money online, affiliate marketing, and just different ways I can share my knowledge so I can help you guys. So if it's your first time here, drop a 60 in the comments right now if you're brand new, and make sure you like, subscribe, become a part of the family. For my regulars, happy to have you here. You can drop 60 as well. That's totally cool. So earn $60 in 60 minutes doing this simple and easy method. You don't have to have any degree. You don't have to be a professional. I'm going to share with you a website how you can earn $60 in 60 minutes. So the website that I'm going to be talking about is called userfeel.com. Userfeel.com. So what this website is, it's basically a website that they're testers. There's a company that are looking for people who want to test website, they want to test apps. So every time they have huge companies that approach them, such as like Rakuten, right, TripAdvisor, 99 Designs, 1Password, Office Depot, Lowe's, these are the huge companies, Four Seasons. So if there's any time their website or their app, they're coming out with something new, they're looking for people to test these apps. Now, they're looking for people all over the world. That's a good thing. So whatever language that you speak, they will send you testing in that specific website or whatever language that you're going to sign up for. So make sure when you sign up for it, you want to put the right information. It'll probably ask you for your primary language and then a secondary language. So you make sure you fill that out. So as I said before, UserFeel is a usability testing tool that gives you videos of real users speaking their thoughts as they use their website or their app. So all you have to do is just scroll through here and you can see the type of tool. Now, if you look, this is how you're going to set it up. So get your website and your app tested. This is a company or someone want to sign up for this. They would sign up here, and this is what their back office will look like. So it's like the testing, scenarios and tasks, demographics, review, and start. Now, user testing on any device. So they can test on any device, such as I said before, you have mobile, you have your laptop, or you can have your tablet as well. It is fast, easy reporting, teamwork, highlights. So they have some really cool things going on. So you test English test on desktop, English test on mobile. So if you come through here, you could see what it looks like. So if you scroll all the way up here and you want to become a tester, you can click on Become a Tester. So once you click on Become a Tester, right, each test lasts 10 to 20 minutes. So you can earn $60 in 60 minutes. Because guess what? If you could do it under 10, you can make money, right? You can make $60 right away. So you can make anywhere from between 40 to 60 bucks. It all depends. You can get anywhere from like 30 to 60. I know people that get their job completed in under 10 minutes. So 10 to 20 minutes is what they mention. So if you got a computer, you got a smartphone, hey, you can get on this and you can start right away. So do testers need products or services? These are some of the questions that people ask. In order to test a website and get paid $10 per test, so as I said before, you can get $10 per test, which is 60, 10 minutes, 10 times 10. Oh, 10 times 6. No. Well, yeah, you guys know the deal, right? So 10 times, because there is actually, if you divide 6 by an hour, you get 10. So yeah, 6 times 10 is 60. Oh my goodness. It's late at night. I'm super tired. But you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. So you can get $60 in 60 minutes. Now, you're going to need a computer with a microphone. You need a laptop or an external computer. You're going to need headphones as well. So even the cheapest ones that sell for like $2 will work. So if you got one of those microphones like you get with your phone. I do believe you can use it as well. As long as you can hear that it's clear and you can speak in that specific headphones, you're good to go. So if you have like one of these things, not a problem. If you got one of those that you get with your phone, it should be good. So these are some of the questions people ask. Should I use my real name and address while conducting a test? No. You should use fake details while conducting a test. So you don't want to give out your real information, your real address, because they're going to have testers from all over the world. And these companies are going to keep sending you tests that you're supposed to complete. Once you complete them in 10 minutes or less, you're going to make $10. So you're going to have like, what are screen of questions? Before you start, they may ask you one or more screen of questions in order to determine that if you're like the right fit for the test. So they're going to ask you all that kind of stuff. For example, if a client needs to test a website selling baby strollers, you may be asked whether or not you have a small child. So stuff like that, because they want to make sure that when you answer it correctly, they will send you based on what you put on your profile. So make sure you're truthful, do your thing, and that's how it works. So what makes a good tester? They have the information here. We do not want a tester to just read the website and says, okay, everything is okay and all that type of stuff. You got to test it. You got to go inside it. You got to be very, very honest. So if they give you work, make sure you do the work. We need testers that perform required tasks according to the test scenario. Speak loudly and clearly in the microphone. Perform a test in a quiet place, so it can be noisy and all that kind of stuff. Continuously explain what they're doing and why. So you always want to take notes when you do these things. So you do a good job, you will get a good rating. They will send you more tests for you to complete. And over time, of course, you're going to start generating money over and over again. How do you get paid? This is one of the big questions I know some of you probably going to ask, but where is it? How can I get paid? How much can I earn? Not that. Okay, so I know, okay, there you go. How do I get paid and how much? So for each test you can earn after the initial qualification, you get paid $10. So after $10, you will receive payment approval. After that, about a week, after a week or so, you can get your money in PayPal, Amazon, that they recommended, and you can set your payment up where they can deposit the money in the PayPal. Most of these companies these days, they're going for PayPal. So if you don't have PayPal, I apologize, guys, but these are what these companies are doing. Remember I told you about the ExpressVPN? Try to set up a PayPal account where you can receive money from all these places. So I didn't want to take up too much of your time. So User Feel is a good website. You can make $60 in 60 minutes, or less than that. You can make anywhere between 30 to 60. It depends on how fast you do this test. So do it quick, you can earn up to $60. Don't do it in 10 minutes. Well, you're going to earn less. So you want to make sure you get on it. So it's a great way here you can make money. Thank you so much for watching. My name is Andre. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.